I'm super excited to show you how to make large buns in an air fryer today. This one has 2. Many air fryers have 1, but it's all good. I'm going to take a full batch of dough that we prepared ahead of time. It's risen for 4 hours, or it's risen overnight. And I'm going to cut this into 6 pieces to get 6 buns. If you're wanting to be really precise, you could weigh them. Probably about 2.7 ounces per bun. But otherwise, we're going to just do it the easy way and just cut them and shape them. One way you could do it is you could just shape them by hand and flatten them into a disc. But if you really want to get them as round as possible, you can put them in a dish or container and press them in. The wider you go, the more like a hamburger bun it will come out. If you leave it thick, it'll be more of a ball, and that's wonderful too. Everyone wants to have a ball, right? So we've got our buns, and this is so easy. Drop it in the liner, and in you go. Got our other liner. There's no cleanup involved. Then you cook this at 300 degrees for 55 minutes. No need to peek, and you will have 1 or 2 perfect giant hamburger buns. And that's it. So easy.